Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Morning Podcast. Let's see how the market have done in the yesterday's trade. Sensex has gained 0.5%, settling at 77,337. Nifty has lost 0.18%, settling at 23,516. Nifty Midcap 100 and Small Cap 100 lost 0.97% and 0.46% respectively. Now let's look at the gainers and losers of Nifty 50. The gainers are Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Infosys, Wipro, Adani Ports. While the losers are Titan, Maruti, Bajaj Auto, BPCL, Hindalco, Tata Consumer, Coal India, Hero MotoCorp. Now let's look at the sector-wise performance. BSE BankX has gained the highest at 1.97% positive, followed by BSE IT at 0.38% positive. BSE Realty was the highest loser at 2.97% negative, followed by BSE Cap Goods at 2.15% negative, followed by BSE Oil and Gas at 1.97% negative. Now let's look at the market breadth. 1634 stocks have advanced while 2235 stocks have declined. Now let's look at the 52-week high and low. 227 stocks have scaled 52-week high like Axis Bank, Cipla, Cummins India, Avenue Supermart, Garden Ridge Shipbuilders, HAL and Polycab, while 9 stocks are trading at 52-week low. Now let's look at the fund flow data. FII were net buyers to the tune of 7,908 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of 7,107 crores. Today we have limited global cues as US market was shut yesterday on account of Juneteenth holiday, while Asian market is largely mixed. Hence we expect a muted start for our market today. Now let's look at the stock-wise performance. Som Distilleries and Breweries. The Madhya Pradesh government suspended the license of Som Distilleries due to concern about child labor. This remains negative for the company. Indian Oil Corporation. The company entered into a joint venture GPS Renewable for Sustainable Energy Solution. This remains positive for the company. Sun Pharmaceuticals. The company has received a warning letter from US FDA for Dadra facility. The US FDA warning letter summarizes current good manufacturing practices and regulation. This remains negative for the company. Imco Elecon. The company received an order worth Rs 33 crore from the Singareni Collieries Company for the supply of coal mining equipment. This remained positive for the company. PNB Housing. The company holders offer 1.08 crore shares at a floor price of 773 per share at a discount of 8%. This remained marginal negative for the company. Chemplast Sanmar. The board is to meet on June 24 to consider fundraising. This remained positive for the company. Godrej Industries. CCI approved the proposed family group realignment. This remained neutral for the company. Avenue Supermarts. The company has opened a new store in Tamil Nadu today. This remained neutral for the company. Sapphire Food Industry. The board has approved splitting of each share into 5. This remained positive for the company. Now let's look at the block deals. Advanced Enzyme Technology. Motilal Oswal Financial Services bought 1.1 crore shares, while OrbiMed Asia Mauritius sold 1.1 crore shares at 385 per share. Piramal Enterprise. Anutham Realty bought 1.08 crore shares, while Sri Krishna Trust sold 1.08 crore shares at 900.8 per share. Sansera Engineering. Client Abin Limited sold 50.3 lakh shares. CVCIGP Employee Abin Limited sold 12.23 lakh shares, while Custody Bank of Japan bought 10.93 lakh shares. DSP Mutual Fund bought 20.83 lakh shares. Society General bought 3.58 lakh shares. SBI Mutual Fund bought 3.65 lakh shares at 1200 per share. Now let's look at the bulk deal. AU Small Finance Bank Westbridge AIF sold 1.3 crore shares, while Goldman Sachs Investment Mauritius bought 43.34 lakh shares at 650 per share. BSL E-Services Minerva Ventures Fund sold 4.7 lakh shares at 281 per share. Dhampur Sugar Mills. Goel Anil Kumar sold 3.5 lakh shares at 243 per share. Indus Tower. Vodafone Telecommunication India sold 26.56 crore shares. Almin Investment sold 2.08 crore shares. Asian Telecommunication Investment sold 2.51 crore shares. Prime Metal offloaded 5.6 crore shares at 311.51 per share. Movil West sold 4.29 crore shares. On the other hand, Atom Investment and Infrastructure Limited bought 1.49 crore shares, Bharti Airtel bought 2.69 crore shares, Galio Capital Management bought 1.98 crore shares, and SBI Mutual Fund bought 3.58 crore shares at 311.4 per share. Gland Pharma, Fosun Pharma Industrial sold 99 lakh shares at 1771 per share, while UBS Principal Capital Asia Limited bought 8.25 lakh shares at 1771.05 per share. Now let's look at the insider trades. Jindal Stainless promoter Sarika Jhunjhunwala sold 15,000 shares on June 14. KNR Construction promoter Kamidi Narsimha Reddy sold 55 lakh shares between June 14 and 19. Promoter Kamidi Jalandhar Reddy sold 5 lakh shares on June 18. Amber Enterprise promoter Qatar Singh sold 1.5 lakh shares on June 18. RedTech promoter Rashid Ahmed Mirza bought 32,500 shares on June 18. Now let's look at the trading tweaks. Today is the ex-record dividend for eMudra and L&T. That's it for today. Thank you for listening.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.